Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to show you all my fall update. I have been sharing some fall decorations with you. I shared 2 backdrops. I shared a tablescape. And I just want to show you the things that I've added to my tablescape, to my backdrop, and just to give you an update. I found these beautiful leaf printed cups from Dollar Tree. And then I got these gold silverware from Amazon. So this beautiful gold silverware is from Amazon. That was something else I added. Also, I changed the way this napkin, the way I placed this, and I got those beautiful plates from Dollar Tree, but I was only able to find 2 of them. So I wish I would have known ahead of time that they offered some leaf printed plates. So I just put those at each end of the table. Here is the candles turned on, just to show you how it looked from this angle. So next I'm gonna show you the other side, how the other side looks with the candles on. Next, this is my backdrop. The only thing I changed here was those beautiful candle holders that you see on the sides. I got those from at home. That is all I have for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a happy Thanksgiving.